Hey y'all, Scott with No Budget Homestead, and today will be my last garlic and onion update because I'm yanking them out of the ground. And it's been a long time waiting. I don't know if you guys remember, I believe back in September I went ahead and planted these, and I used the different cloves. I think it's Nootka long neck garlic that I planted. It was non-GMO, organic, okay? And then also the yellow Parma onions I planted. Remember how tall and lush they are and everything? Well, let's go ahead and take a look and see how they're coming out, okay? So let's get started. Alright guys, as you can see, here's the garlic. And I'm going to go ahead and dig some of them up and show you what I found earlier, because I did dig one or two up. Yeah, they're kind of falling over and everything, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what they're doing. Okay. See that? That's really not what I was wanting. I expect them to be like this, like the ones that I planted, if you remember back. Let's go ahead and pull up the rest of the garlic and see. Another one, not so good. Yeah. That one even's got another one looks like it's trying to come on. Sprout on the side there. This one's kind of split up into two. Okay. The roots are really strong on these, I tell you. They're really hard to pull up. Thankfully, I dig up around some of them. Alright, well, that's one of the bigger ones. I don't know how that's going to come out. Oh, that one's getting close. That's not so bad, huh? Well, it's not what I was expecting either way. Smell good though. Alright, now let me show you the onions. I planted cloves, and what I got was this. Get you in closer. This is what happened to my onions. I planted one onion start, and this is all that grew. Let's check out the rest of them, huh? Okay, my yellow Parma onions did not come out well, did they? Oh. Well, I'm gonna have to use this bed for something else. Oh boy. Well, there's the onions on the bottom and the garlic on the top. Very disappointing. They look so good growing. So, man, I may be able to salvage the garlic if I just set them out to dry and everything. But the onions, I mean, look at these. those onions, I mean, those stalks are smaller than the actual start bulb that I put in there. So I don't know, guys. It's disappointing. Very, very disappointing. Oh, y'all, I don't know what to say, but I'm very disappointed in the garlic. Garlic and the onions. They sprouted up so high and beautiful and look so good. So I'm not sure what happened. The garlic here I could probably dry and, you know, kind of hang up and let them dry, and maybe they'll be fine. But these onions here, just throw them away, I guess. I don't know why they didn't bulb out the way I expected them to. And you guys, if you guys have any, I don't know, encouragement, suggestions, and everything on how to do this next time, I'm going to order more and plant them for the fall. And I don't know if I need to do that now or not, so you guys can give me your 2 cents worth on that too. But I was really looking forward to some fresh garlic and onions. I really was. I wanted to share them with some of my friends at church and family and stuff like that. But I don't know, I mean, that's pitiful. I don't even know what to say now. But anyways, that's why I'm doing this. I'm living, I'm learning. I appreciate any constructive feedback you guys got about what to do next time. I don't know, maybe I planted the garlic too deep and the onion's not deep enough, or something. I don't know. I don't really want to second guess myself. But so this is the last garlic and onion update until we plant some more later on. But I really appreciate some comments and feedback, guys. I really would. A lot of you out there, like CV and Renee and Mr. Dan at the Home on the Sticks, and Gary over at Escaping the Matrix for Good, and my buddy at A Little Dirt Never Hurt, and Yankee, and Greg Carter, and anybody else. I'm sorry if I forget people. I shouldn't have started naming people. Yay. But any constructive feedback and anything, or better ideas of what we can do, okay? Any questions or comments, guys, put it below. If you haven't subscribed already, click that subscribe button, and hopefully the next garlic and onion harvest will be much better. I tell you, the garlic is not keeping the mosquitoes away. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sticking with us. If you haven't subscribed already, click the subscribe button. Don't forget that little bell. Click on that little bell. And that way you get notification of our next videos being released. And, well, y'all have a simply unbelievable day. God bless you. And we'll see you on the next video. Look at that. Look at that.